Hello everyone, my name is Ritah Joyce Samantha. I'm 10 years old. My hobbies are singing, dancing, singing, baking, and art.
What did you win when you go in the Little Miss Uganda competitions?
I won second runner-up and Little Miss Uganda ambassador.
What are you hoping to do, mostly for the orphans?
I'm hoping to hand them clothing, food.
What do you want to be in the future?
I want to be a chef.
What do chefs do?
Chefs cook in restaurants.
So you want to cook for people?
Yes.
Whom do you thank more?
Between?
Like, who helps you to push your talents?
My mother.
Who else?
My father.
What could be your words to them?
Thank you for helping me to be confident and teaching me to never give up.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.